Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with the haul. Some of this is my Black Friday shopping that I done online, and then other stuff just what I picked up locally. Like I went to Michael's and I got papers when they were on sale for buy one get one half off. So I needed some 110 pound white cardstock as well as the Dove white. I really like that Dove white now. So I did pick up some of that and some red and gray paper that I needed. Besides what you see here. All right, so let's jump in. I was almost out of this cleaner that I use for my stamps, so I went ahead and picked that up. I really like this. So got some more of that. And then I also picked up some Memento ink. So I was definitely out of that, been out of that for a minute. So finally got that. And then if you have not seen at what am I saying? Joann's have a bunch of their diamond dots on clearance. It's 97 cents, and you usually can get them for like $1.25, I think, when they're on sale, something like that. But anyways, these are the colors that I chose, and I didn't get much because I know I don't use them as much as I should. But anyways, there's a lot in the drawers. So I don't need to use a whole lot or get a whole lot because they last so long. And there goes that one. And where's this one? That color. But they had quite a few colors, but that was all that I got. I had to think what I was going to use, and so that's what I got. The other thing was I went out and bought this from Hobby Lobby because I was in need of a spatula. I wanted the ones from Cricut, but they weren't in, so I got this one. And then when I went over to my Dollar Tree, they had never had these in, and this is what I was looking for was one of these. And so this one's from Dollar Tree. It actually feels better than what I thought it was. It's nice and sturdy. So I should have actually picked up two of those, and I might pick up another one, but I am going to keep that one as well because I was only going for this. All right, and then this is what I picked up for Black Friday shopping online. So everybody knows that Elizabeth Craft had a nice sale, and I really, I had so much in my cart, but I was just like, I'm not gonna do this because a lot of this stuff will just sit for years. And yes, I just didn't do it. So I did pretty good. I only bought 5 items. I wanted to check out her tape. I want to say this was $2. And as you can see, it's the clear double-sided adhesive, 6 millimeter, or 0.25 inches. So there goes that. And then this one is a little bit thicker. I want to say this one was $3. And so you can see that there. And then there goes the size of that. It's a lot thicker than what I thought it was going to be. Okay. And let me still get Elizabeth Craft. So I still have a few more things from Elizabeth Craft here. All right. So I got this surprise die. I have been wanting this for a while. To pick that up for $1, I was so happy. And this was $1 as well, if I'm not mistaken. And then this one was $3. And I had been wanting these since I went to Scrapbook Expo probably 4 years ago. I love these because you can put those little, what is it called? These little things, styrofoam stickers, in the little dots and stuff that they had. And I had seen them do that when I was at the Scrapbook Expo and had been wanting those ever since. So those are all the items I got from Elizabeth Crafts. Then we went over to Cottage Cuts, and I contained myself over there as well. I did very good. I was so surprised because I wanted to get the spinning under control. But anyways, I had been wanting this, and those little cookies are just too cute. They're a little smaller than what I had anticipated, but I still like this die set. And then I also picked up this here. I really like that. I'm a fall girl. If you don't know, I love fall. And let me, I didn't sort this out right, but let's go here next. So I picked up this here. And I want to say this was like maybe $3 or $2 or something like that. I can't remember what the prices were, but they were very good. So I picked up this. This was really cheap as well. And I have their rectangles already, the stitched ones. So I wanted this to accompany those. So I got that. Now these were the best buy. These were like $8, better than Gina Marie. So I had to pick these up. And so as you see, I've already used some. So I'll have a card tomorrow sharing those, um, what I made with these for Saturday morning makes. But anyways, these are the stitch nested rectangle, nested stitched rectangles, if I can get it right. And I got this. This is a little bit smaller than these, but I still love this. And this measures 3 1/4 by 8 1/4. So I really like that size though. And then this one here. I had seen, I want to say a Creative Muse. He had something similar to this from a different store. So, anyways, for $8, I went ahead and got this one. All right. Now, these are actually my Christmas gifts for my children. I had one bought me one, and the other bought me one, and I told them that's not really all I wanted. I just didn't want to spend the money. So, hey, got me some early Christmas gifts. So, anyways, I picked up this, and everybody has seen how they look. So, got that, and then this one here, and then this is what I picked up from Jaded Blossom. I used this last week for Saturday morning makes, and so I really, really love this. And it's measures 6 by 6, and then you get all those cuts there. All right, so that is all I have. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Like I said, I should have a Saturday morning makes tomorrow. Not sure if I'll be posting sometime next week. Well, actually, I might, because I do have another video that I can share. And if so, it'll be my first love, which is scrapbooking. So just check it out, see if I have put it up or not. I'm still unsure whether or not I want to post it, but I had a request to share some of the items that how I used to scrapbook. So, and it might be up. All right. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Stay safe out there, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. Bye-bye.